What's up, muscle car people? Bring It Muscle Cars here. Today we're going to show you how to install trailer hitch wiring, and we're going to be using the G8. As you saw before, we installed a trailer hitch on the car, and today we have to install the wiring for the lights. This is the wiring kit that we got from Harbor Freight for a couple bucks. It's the female end. We have 4 wires to install: left and right turn signal, ground, and tail lights. And I'm going to show you the tools you're going to need. Wire strippers to strip back the wiring on the car. A light tester, to find out which lights are tail lights, turn signals, and brake lights. You're going to need a soldering iron to make the connections, solder, and we're going to be using a drill with a hole saw to drill a hole in the spare tire compartment just to run the harness down through.
Take your multimeter, put one end to a ground, and then test which wire comes on with the tail lights, turn signals, and the brake lights. Next, crack out the soldering iron and then solder the connections together, and then wrap them with electrical tape to prevent short circuiting.
Just don't touch me with the soldering iron.
Yeah, should be good though.
Alright, tape that bitch.
Okay. Then we added little clamps to secure the wires so they wouldn't get hit or ripped apart in the trunk.
Hey guys, we got everything wired up. TJ, can you press the remote on the battery box, please? Thank you. Alright, we got everything wired up. Wait for the car to kick on. Tail lights and turn signal 1. That works. Other turn signal. And that works. Alright, please hit the like button if you've made it this far. Smash that notification bell. Subscribe, and as always, if you have a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.